Hello and welcome to another episode of the Pawanmuktasana series. My name is Francesco and this is... In the last episode I've introduced you to this group of asanas for beginners. Today I'm going to dive into group number 1, the anti-rheumatic group. This group is designed to increase the flexibility of your articulation. It helps to remove all the blocks from your articulation. Increase coordination, consciousness and self-esteem. Now, I want you to keep attention to these things while you practice in this group. The movement of your body, the coordination with your breathing, and the energy that flows in your body. Some asanas require you to coordinate your breathing with the body movement. For example, inhale when you go up and exhale when you go down. You might start to experience that some areas of your body become more sensible. This is due to the flow of energy that circulates in your body. It's nothing bad. You're just starting to become more conscious of your energy dimension. For the beginner, I recommend to have a minute of rest in Shavasana every 3-4 asanas. With a bit of time, your body strength will increase. Remember, a position that is comfortable and stable. If you find hard practice that position, have a bit of rest. This allows you to understand the effect of a practice on your body. And now, let's start with the practice. So, for the practice of today, the first position we're going to see is called base pose or Prarambhik Sthiti. So, put your leg side by side, place your hands with your palm on the ground behind your back, straight your elbow, straight your back, close your eyes, and find your balance. Once you feel ready, starting from the feet, we're going to open and close our toes in toe bending. So when you're ready, inhale and open your toe, and exhale and close them. This is a circle. Repeat it 10 times. Inhale and open it, and exhale, close it. Gently. Inhale and open it, exhale and close it. Inhale, exhale. Exhale and close. Inhale and open them. Exhale and close them. Inhale and open them. Make sure you don't move your ankle when you practice this position. Only the toe moves. And now we move from the toe to the ankle in ankle bending or Gulf Naman. This has to be gentle as well, and it's a circle. Repeat it 10 times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, bring the point of the feet to knee, and exhale, I push them away. Try to not move your toe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay, from here we're going to rotate one ankle at a time in Gulf chakra or ankle rotation. We're going to rotate 10 times clockwise and 10 times counterclockwise. The respiration here, it's when we rotate up, we inhale. When we rotate down, we exhale. Again, this is a circle. Repeat it 10 times. 10 times clockwise, 10 times counterclockwise. Do not put too much strength in the rotation. It is a relaxing exercise. Okay, now on the other side. Once we have done 10 circle clockwise and counterclockwise with one side, we shift on the other side. Once you finish with both sides, now it's time to move them together. So 10 circle clockwise and 10 circle counterclockwise. If you work all day on your feet, standing, this exercise is perfect for you. Once you finish with this circle too, now it's time to rotate at the opposite way, like this. Just make sure your feet don't touch while they rotate. even here 10 times clockwise and 10 times counterclockwise. From here, we're going to move into ankle crack pose. So bring one of your ankle to you. Use the support with your hands. Make sure the ankle is free to move. So support with one hand your leg, and with the other hand hold your toe. So now go and rotate gently your ankle. This is also called passive rotation of the ankle, because with our help, we rotate the ankle. So this is a circle. Here 10 times clockwise and 10 times counterclockwise, and the same. When we rotate down, we exhale. When we rotate up, we inhale. Once you finish with one leg, do the same with the other leg, with the other ankle. So bring the ankle to you. Make sure you're in a comfortable position. One hand hold the leg, one hand actually hold the ankle, and the other hand hold the toe. And gently we rotate the ankle. Inhale and rotate up, and exhale and rotate down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Up, down, up, down. Great! You successfully complete your first session of yoga. Now, let's take a couple of minutes of rest in Shavasana. This position is awesome for relax your body after a yoga session, after exercises, after a day of work. I recommend to practice this position every time we feel tired. Don't control your breathing, just breathe. Try to focus inside yourself. Try to pay attention to the areas that you just work on. Try to feel if there's any feelings coming up, any sensation from the articulation itself or from the inside of your body. Now, let's take 3 deep breaths. Let's inhale. Hold it. Hold your breath inside. Let it go and exhale. Inhale. Hold it. Hold your breath inside. Let it go and exhale. One more time. Inhale. And I take as much air as I can in my pulmon, in my chest. Try to hold it as comfortable as I can. Hold it. Hold it. Let it go. Namaste.